Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today I will show you how to cook shrimp skewers and baked potatoes. We are gonna need washed potatoes with the skin, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and fresh or dry parsley. Let's cut the potatoes as you are seeing on the screen. Now we will add olive oil and brush between each cut. Add salt, black pepper, and parsley, or any fresh herb to taste. Let's bake it at 450 degrees, the potatoes for 15 minutes, and the skewers for 30 minutes. For the skewers, we will need shrimps, zucchini, red bell pepper, onion, but you can use any vegetables that you have, okay? We have to chop the zucchini in circles and then in a half moon. I cut the red bell peppers like this. In this way the seeds don't splash. I have an old jalapeno and I'm going to use it without seeds. I also have a piece of white onion and I'm going to use it too. I will clean the shrimps. And in a small bowl, I will add salt, black pepper, paprika, and parsley. Mix, and that will be our seasoning. And here is the fun part. We strain the vegetables and shrimps as you wish. Make it colorful and they will look beautiful and delicious. In total, I got 13 skewers. And I'm going to season them, and at the end we add olive oil. You can also put directly the salt, black pepper, etc. When you have them ready, we are going to place them in the oven with the potatoes. And this is the final result. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thumbs up. The potatoes are delicious with a crispy skin. Serve the skewers, lettuce salad, and enjoy. My little girl is waiting for something healthy, and I'm share a piece of zucchini. Candy has her own videos every Saturdays, and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays in my recipes for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.